Okay,
What did you do?
this is following that nude model, that promised nudes for people donating to the wildfires.
Put it on my story.
First, donate to the wildfires no matter what, if you can.
Why was from our drone?
If you don't have the money, like some people are that completely broken or is going day to day just to keep themselves fed, then yeah, keep yourself fed. But if you can donate.
Tank doubles?
No. To go through her.
And if you can get nudes, get nudes. So this is two things that are good, that make the world a better place.
Pretty much, because she promised a nude for every $10.
And does this mean the JK girls don't care about wildfires?
Donating, so she
Question.
said one person donated $5,000 and at least 10 people donated $1,000.
With their subs and how many people follow them,
Yeah.
how many people on Patreon and shit would donate automatically? Like I keep saying, if women figure out how to really control,
Cover half of it, so it's like one, and then open up the other flap, and then that's another flap.
really control the pussy, and really know how to use it, there would be no wars.
She's what?
Rudderless.
Ass can control men. Testosterone makes us want to fight. Get rid of testosterone, there's no fights.
There's specific curtains that are pretty tight.
Exactly, that's what I'm saying. Big curtains. What is that like? The
Rudders. That's what I'm saying. She's rudderless.
tightness. That has nothing to do with tightness.
That's the rudders that he's talking about.
That's exactly what I'm talking about. Because I've seen
You're talking about the vulva.
Yeah.
And whether the vulva is flappy or not flappy.
Is it a flappy bird?
I think he got him. I don't think he. I think he's just trying to weasel out of it.
I've seen some motors.
Rudders. Is it rudders?
Yeah, what happened?
I think he's breaking. Like, I think.
He's like, you guys fucked up my dumb joke.
What up?
But yeah, the JK girl, if all the really big Instagram girls and big influencer chicks do this, because politicians aren't gonna fight the wildfires. If they were, every single reserve fireman, every single volunteer fireman, every single one that isn't that we don't need here would be there. Every country sends
Because he did so much today to not
1,000 or 2,000 firefighters there.
And that winking is gonna help him get lit. That fucking. Just because she's translating doesn't mean she has your back.
Okay, sorry, apologies.
I mean, you could think that.
Turns you on? No. She doesn't have
Looks like he has something wrong with him.
to what he's trying to do.
Alright, so some of you might be wondering,
Are you guys gonna do it?
Carolyn cares so much about these fires in Australia when she's from California.
500,000 wild animals died.
So
And
for her,
25% of the air.
Yeah.
But there's a lot of...
No more
I'm
oxygen.
not saying no one should care. I'm just saying why her specific
500,000, 500,000.
because I'm trying to get to the reason as to why she cares. So, she said that
Shitload of
reading
extinct
reports
animals.
about the wildfires, like
Half a big percentage of the world's oxygen supply.
through the 2018 car fire in
Shitload of
California,
extinct
that
animals.
killed at least 60
Like, not only endangered, now they're going to be extinct. And you know the rainforests and shit like that actually might have cures for diseases in them, right? For all we know, the cure for cancer is on fire right now.
Trips to Chico, where her then fiance's daughter lived, to go pick her up, put her in proximity to the campfire.
Sorry, this story was so sad I had to zoom in on something.
California's deadliest and most destructive fire in art history. So because
She's lived a lot of life for a 20-year-old.
Dude, I wonder if she sold nudes to get her own house back.
True. Now that she knows...
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So then she's saying, like, she said, we were driving to Chico to pick up my ex's daughter.
Chico.
Purple and yellow and orange. It looked
That a real place?
apocalyptic-
Probably.
apocalyptic. You could see and smell the ash.
That whole
in the
Gainesville
air.
thing, though.
Over on Lake Shasta, everything was smoky. A month later,
I don't know none of
the
these
sky was
places.
still gray. So for
And
her,
before you guys say, oh, you don't care about any big wildfire that doesn't make news.
do something to help.
Dude, I live in Canada.
The reason why she
We have 2 seasons.
And
She doesn't even have to answer shit.
Winter
People wanna do something,
and fire.
She did one of those things that were like
Every year we have
Let's
wildfires
off
here.
The money or whatever. It's legit for charity because all you got to do is show a receipt.
Yeah, you're going to the links that she
Even
provided.
people that doesn't even know, they're like, oh, you're doing this? Well, I did fucking donate.
Mhm.
So then they'll find the old receipt and then get some pussy pictures for it.
Nobody's gonna be like, why? You're not even from Australia.
Like, I could get a pussy pic right now.
Yeah, like who the fuck is hating and saying, you're not even from Australia, why do you care so much? Why are you doing
Well,
this?
I'm not saying they're
Yeah, fuck those
haters,
people.
I'm just giving
If there
you a
is
reason as
those
to why.
people.
We thought that there were haters.
I'm not saying that. I don't know.
Who hates on someone trying to save the planet?
For sure,
They
like
showed her
surprise,
countdown.
but I'm not verifying that.
I think the Instagram.
And fuck Instagram for
So her Instagram
a
did get
chick
shut
can
down
show
because
basic
it
nudity just
this was- it
and get money.
violated the
money.
policy.
That means someone flagged her ass, right?
Yeah.
No. So
But a chick can't show full nudity to save the planet.
Their account was disabled for violating their policies. Offering nude images is not allowed on Instagram.
Oh.
Maybe she went viral.
They don't open the floodgates.
So she had 2 accounts.
There
they
should be
both
rules,
got
though.
shut down, and a whole
If
bunch of
she's
fake
not
profiles, even
benefited
one even
from
got
it,
up to 20,000
you're allowed to
followers, and so they had to post on Twitter, like, this is
share
fake,
nudes
take it down.
if it helps the
But
world.
They are reposting like her photos onto these accounts that are getting a lot of followers, but she was like, they're not taking down the fake. Instagram's not taking down the fakes, but they took
That's
down
weird.
hers.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's kind of weird. But,
Well, there's probably a lot of them.
If they're repassing around her news, they're kind of interning for her. Because people are sending their receipts and they're giving the pictures. True, she doesn't have to do any more work.
that's true.
I
That's a
just
good point.
think how much money do the people that actually have nudes make?
Oh yeah, no,
Enough to make a living.
it's a killer
They
business.
make millions.
Well, so now there's other girls jumping in on this same. I guess now it's a trend. And
Oh,
so
Riley Reid.
like Riley Reid, who's a porn actor.
Yes.
She tweeted, "I saw my firsthand how horrid the #Australia fires are. People
Ask and save Australia. Ask for Australia.
Donate. Email me proof of donation. I'll send you personal photos and/or videos." And she puts a link.
I can get them for free, so I get it, but
Well, I don't know. Guys have a thing for like, oh, this photo
Personal.
was like
Oh, for
taken
me.
Yeah.
kind of thing.
Because,
So
like,
yeah, and these
With
other
a marker on her belly that says my name.
That'd actually be cool.
You can kind of see the last
Yeah,
name that
it's
was
all
on
black.
there.
Her belly was a whiteboard. She had to fucking get the dry eraser.
What if the one
roll back and-
you have a name and the name behind it's like your wife?
pretty
Like,
crazy
did
that's
you
happening
donate
with
lately?
fires.
And do we need to talk about
24
something?
people have died, and more than 200 fires have been burning around the
and
country.
they caught arsonists, right?
Yeah, they caught arsonists.
oh, no.
There was like 80 of them. Or something.
Fuck those people. Set those people on fire.
I don't know. I didn't read into
Okay.
that.
Was it a
They're
team?
saying that this is an unprecedented crisis.
Yeah.
Yeah, anybody that starts a wildfire
Height of
that
fires and,
does
like,
this
our
much
fires
damage
were, like, so
should be
tiny
set on
compared to the
fire.
height of their fires.
Like Salem Witch
$48 million to
type shit.
open.
Oh, tight.
That's cool. Is he Australian?
Yeah.
So is Margot Robbie,
So,
and I think she donated.
what was the motive for the arsonists
Oh
to
god,
fuck
who
around
knows?
and
Who the
play?
fuck knows?
Yeah.
Fuck
And then,
these kids.
I
just
heard
naturally assume they're
articles
kids,
out
'cause
there about
if you're a grown man and you
the
set
fact
and
that
you're on purposely
Australia
setting
will
fires,
have
you should be
snipers
shot
and
and then set on fire.
helicopters shoot thousands of camels to conserve water.
Camels?
Yeah.
What do camels do?
Because they drink too much
They're
water.
drinking too much water, and it's so they're
And they
saying,
need it.
To put the fires out?
Why don't they just
Oh.
like move them.
How much water could they possibly drink?
We should just send them some bottled water.
So they hold a lot of water for a long period of time.
True. Yeah, I don't know. But they're saying that in order
If
to
you're gonna kill the animals
resources
because
need
they're
to-
drinking all the water, drain their blood and throw that on the fire.
Yeah, so they're saying
Liquid's
that
liquid.
snipers will
If it's not
take
flammable.
helicopters to hunt 4,000 to 5,000 camels.
Oh,
What are they doing in Australia?
camels?
Imagine being a real camel fan and you're a sniper over there.
Oh damn.
That's sad.
Reading into
I
that.
love camels. They're fucking.
I didn't know camels lived in Australia.
Yeah, so they're
Can we
saying.
send them a cloud and just rain on the entire country at once?
Because it's summer.
Yes,
out
people
there.
can send clouds.
I mean, all the science we have now.
Yeah,
Can we
don't they
come up with one?
don't they say that we can? Yeah, like we can control weather and stuff. Yeah.
Damn, it is summer
Yeah, so
over
they're
there.
saying that environmental officials.
Maybe this is maybe their arsons are they're working for HARP to show like why we need as a public us to control the weather so that shit like this doesn't happen, and so then they can come in and
Conspiracy
control.
corner.
Yeah.
Do it. Do your thing. I'm not doing it because I'm
I've been
Oh, I'm a.
want in. We want in.
Never just let any riffraff in the conspiracy corner now.
Fuck.
I want to be
We need to
in.
go through our initiation.
What is
What
it?
is it? I can't tell you unless you're serious.
Yeah, we'll take it off camera.
So yeah, every famous chick that knows they could make money off this, or even dudes, like I'm pretty sure if Jason Momoa said he'll send nude pics if you donate. Well, every chick on the planet would donate. I've never met one chick that doesn't think Momoa's hot. Hell, dudes would donate. Hell, straight dudes would donate. Okay, I would donate.